Imagine listening to your favorite book, but every character has their own voice: British, Australian, robotic, emotional, generated automatically. That's what Novel Reader CLI does. Hi, my name is Firdaus from Johor Bahru, Malaysia, and this is my CS50 Final Project. NovelReader-CLI is a lightweight Python-based tool that reads novel aloud, but with style. It doesn't just narrate, it brings character to life through voice. Novels are meant to be heard, not just read. Writers often struggle to hear how their dialogue sounds. Audiobooks are expensive to produce and require human voice actors. Text-to-speech tools exist, but they are generic. Same voice, no emotion, no character. There was no easy way to turn plain text into expressive audio until now. Novel Reader CLI parses dialogue, detects speakers, assign AI-generated voices, and create fully voiced audiobook-style experience, all from your terminal. Text is parsed using regex to identify who's speaking. It takes character and picks a voice per speaker using Google Text-to-Speech. I add natural pacing, pauses, and export to audio using PyDub. And if the internet goes down, it falls back to offline text-to-speech gracefully. Let's see it in action.
Chapter 1: The Discovery. The old library creaked in the wind. Its weathered wooden shelves holding secrets that had been forgotten for decades. Sarah pushed open the heavy oak door. Dust motes dancing in the afternoon sunlight that streamed through the tall windows. "Hello, anyone here?" A rustling sound came from the back corner, near the ancient reference section. Sarah walked cautiously toward the noise.
Regex for speaker detection, fallback login for unknown names, voice assignment, audio processing via GTTS and PyDub, all wrapped in a clean command line interface experience. This tool benefits many people: authors, visually impaired readers, even language learners. It makes storytelling more accessible, immersive, and fun. Regex logic was very tricky. Not all books follow the same code format. API rate limits taught me graceful error handling. PyDub audio pipeline integration was fun and frustrating. And balancing offline fallback with audio quality made me appreciate good defaults. I love to improve narrator selection and more user control over output, and support EPUB for formats for wider use. Thank you for listening.